Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. To change the engine oil and filter on your Sportsman X2, Touring, and 6x6 570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and lock the temporary brake. Begin by removing the seats from the vehicle. Then, clean the area around the oil fill cap and remove the oil fill cap. After this, place a drain pan under the engine drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Now, remove the drain plug and washer and allow the oil to drain completely. Caution: hot oil can cause burns to skin. Do not allow hot oil to contact your skin. Continue by cleaning any dirt or debris from the drain plug and install a new sealing washer. The sealing surfaces on the drain plug must be clean and free of burrs, nicks, and scratches. Next, install the drain plug and torque to specification. After this, move the drain pan below the oil filter. Next, remove the right side panels to gain access to the oil filter. Then, wipe the area around the oil filter and place a rag under the oil filter to catch any spillage. Now, use an oil filter wrench and turn the filter counterclockwise to remove. Continue by using a clean dry cloth to clean the filter sealing surface on the engine crankcase. Now, lubricate the O-ring in the new filter with a film of fresh engine oil and ensure the O-ring is in good condition. Next, install the new filter and rotate it clockwise by hand until the filter gasket contacts the sealing surface. Then, turn it an additional 3/4 turn. Then, use a funnel to slowly add the recommended oil. Do not overfill. Continue by reinstalling the oil fill cap. Now, start the engine and allow it to idle for 1 to 2 minutes. After this, stop the engine and check for any leaks. Next, remove the dipstick and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the dipstick fully and remove it again to inspect the oil level. The oil level should be between the full and add lines on the dipstick. Add oil as needed. Do not overfill. Then, reinstall the dipstick and wipe away any residual oil. Now, reinstall the right side panels. Next, reinstall the seats and make sure the seats are secure. Finally, dispose of the used oil and filter properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.